Some people will sand and polish the headlight and then ceramic coat it, and that's fine. I used to do it that way, and then that one set of headlights came back a year later, and it was just as faded, if not a little bit more faded. It was an older CRV, like '07 or something, so it had even bigger headlights than these, or maybe the same size, different shape. And I sanded the bejeebers out of them. I polished them. I ceramic coated it. So after that was the last one, I did it that way. That is a little less involved, although I think that process actually takes a little bit more time than my process. I shifted to 2K clear for the headlight. And I know some detailers do this. It's a bit of a pain in the butt because you have to cover the whole car. The reason I do it, this is a 2013 Hyundai Genesis that I just coated the other day. Came back as the headlights, they look pretty bad. And these will be brand new once we're done here. So the reason I do it is I'm going to 2K clear it. They're going to stay that way, and I'm going to ceramic coat them. I probably won't be able to do it today because he's going to pick it up. And it needs a good 8-12 hours to cure before I can coat them. So I'll do that the next time he's here. I think this way kind of just eliminates is it going to fade again in a year? This is going to guarantee that it'll be years and years before they fade again, if at all. I don't think they will once we ceramic coat them, because the coating is going to stop. It's going to add a lot more UV absorbers to what we're already putting on. So I think this method for me works. I charge usually about $350 to do this just because of the process, and it's a whole lot cheaper than brand new headlights. I can only imagine one of these headlights is probably $400 or $500 a piece. Getting ready to lay down the new clear coat. This is just a simple procedure. 2K clear. I think this stuff's been around for a long time. I think it was a 1K. In other words, you had the clear coat in one can and then the hardeners, UV absorber in another. This one is just both. You take that little red cap off, push it to the bottom, shake the bejeebers out of it, and then you just start laying down the clear coat. So I'm getting ready to do that here pretty soon. These headlights are going to go from cloudy to looking absolutely brand new. If you buy aftermarket headlights, they're junk. They leak. The seals aren't very good. Moisture gets in there, and they also fade very quickly. I actually had a customer out here, had his truck repainted, got some new eBay headlights, and the coating on the outside was like peeling. Like it looked like, Scotch tape, just peeling right off. That's that UV coating. Underneath the UV coating is the plastic. The plastic has no ability to absorb any UV. That coating was about halfway peeled off, and I think he got the headlights a year prior. So that's what you get when you get an eBay headlight. And I don't know what they cost. They're probably not cheap, but I'm sure they're cheaper than factory headlights. But this is, you get to keep your factory headlight. The amazing thing is these headlights are from 2013. They don't leak. And they're brand new. They're restored to like new. I would rather keep my factory headlights than get brand new ones. Actually, I'm getting ready to bring my car in to redo the headlights. They're faded, not as bad as these were, but I think it's absolutely worth it.